What's going on, everybody? This is Fred with Straight Edge Reviews with a unboxing coming from Smeye World. This lovely box is called the This Is Not a Joke Blind Mystery Box. Approximately says there's about 60 boxes. It's about $50 minimum value in this box. Can have up to 2 to 4 Funko Pops in this box. Says that there will be about 1 to 6 boxes. That's going to be over 100 to 150 ppg, and then there's the top box that's over $200. So not 100% sure. It's got very light weight to it, but it is another glorious day here in Kansas City. And yes, unfortunately my daughter is not with me today, but she will be back for another video, so I am going solo on this video. So if this is the first time to our channel, to make sure to like, comment, and then subscribe. And then while you're at it, check out our other videos. Without further ado, let's get into this box and see what we got for this. So my lovely box cutter knife, cut the tape. Oh boy. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know what it looks like, so we're gonna do this blind, and I will reach in. Got paper. Let's see. I feel no pop protector. There is a 1 in pop protector. So I have a total, it fills up 3 pops. So let's get into the first one here without. It is Namor, the Submariner. Marvel 80-year Funko Pop. I don't think I have. Next is another one that is without a protector, and that is the Hot Topic Iron Man. And conditions of these boxes, it said they're going to range between 7 to 9 out of 10. So without the Hot Topic sticker down there. So kind of gotten Marvel themed here. So wrapping, and the last one here, I believe. So what could it be? This one feels wrapped like a what are those artist series? And yes, so don't have this. This is the first of what we got. It is the Infinity Saga Hulk. We actually have these Amazon exclusive, I think it's like a 5-pack if I remember right. So yeah, that's when you know you can feel the plastic wrapping, you know you got an artist series. So let's see, that is it out of all these. So let's see what our values are. Alright, so first pop was the Namor, and Namor is coming in at $15. The Iron Man Hot Topic Unmasked is coming in at $18, so we're at $30 something. And last is the, see if it gets scanned, because look at all that wrapping right there. I have to pull just a little bit of it. Coming in at $23. So we definitely got over our $50, what we were told, $50. Yeah, this was a Marvel box, essentially. this is not a joke. Mystery blind box from Smeye World. So let me know down in the comments, did you get one, or did you get any mystery boxes before from Smeye World? I believe I would have to go through our videos and see if we've done them before, but I feel this is my first Smeye World box. And so let me know down in the comments what you guys think. If anybody wants to trade, I'm more than happy to. Yeah, so let me know down in the comments and we'll go from there. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Out of all of what I got from Smeye World, these three. Yeah, until next time, guys, see you. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.